Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 90 Station Road. This is a substantial terrace property located close to Kings Heath High Street amenities. Okay, and then moving into the property, and we have a vestibule that opens into the through hallway. Stairs going up to the first floor. Lovely original mint and tiled flooring. And then we have the first reception room here at the front of the house. Which has a log burning stove and large bay window to the front aspect. Round to the second reception room. Again, lovely size and having double doors going out into the garden. And further along the hallway, where we have an understairs storage pantry, and we also have a separate utility room here. That's the understairs pantry. We also have a ground floor cloakroom. And then through to the dining kitchen. Great space here, another lovely sash window, and then opening into the kitchen, which also has a Velux window and a window overlooking the garden. Okay, then moving up onto the first floor, where we have a split level landing and stairs going up to the second floor. Then we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, starting with the main bedroom here. Really good size with 2 sash windows to the front aspect. Through to bedroom 2. And from here we have an aspect to the rear of the house. And then towards the back of the property we have the bathroom, with a panel bath and mixer shower above. And then the third bedroom, so really quite a spacious room. And again, having a view towards the rear. Okay, then on to the second floor landing, where we've got a couple of steps up to the bedroom, and there's also a Velux window in this area here as well. So another really generously proportioned bedroom with a window towards the front aspects. And then we have the ensuite shower room with a lovely large Velux window here in this room, and a good size walk-in shower. Okay, and then just moving outside into the rear garden, we have a paved patio area with steps down to the main lawned garden. This concludes the online viewing for this property. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.